Man, they tore this thing up. It is something nice right here. I don't know, this monofilament line is not as sensitive as my braided line and a little more elastic, if you get what I mean. Like, it has more flex to it. I feel like that it like takes away from me setting the hook. I think he got me just then. Come on now. There it is. There it is. Uh-huh. Been waiting on you. Huh? What we got? Oh, we got a cat. Well, didn't get skunked, but got a cat. All right. Well, we ended up getting